Science, we are working on pages 128 and 129. Changes in the layers of the Earth. Changes in the atmosphere. As you already know, the components of the biosphere interact in such a way that a change in one can affect all the others. Change is a normal part of nature, but humans have made changes that have put the environment at risk. We have not only put our own lives at risk, but also the lives of other organisms that live on the planet. An example of negative human impact is air pollution. The main changes to the atmosphere due to human activity are acid rain, holes in the ozone layer, air pollution, and an increased greenhouse effect. Pollution is the buildup of pollutants in our environment. It causes damage to all living things and is due to the accumulation of matter and energy produced by human activity or natural processes like volcanic eruptions. Acid rain comes from the use of fossil fuels, which produce gases like sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxides. These react with the vapor in the atmosphere and form acidic substances such as sulfuric and nitric acids, which return to the earth in rain, snow, and hail. This type of precipitation damages plant life and makes water and soil acidic, which affects the organisms that live there. The ozone layer is being destroyed by chlorofluorocarbons or CFCs, which are gases that have been used for decades in refrigeration devices and aerosol sprays. The greenhouse effect, which you read about on page 116, is a normal atmospheric phenomenon. However, the excessive accumulation of greenhouse gases causes the atmosphere to retain more heat. This causes a worldwide increase in temperature and climate change, which affects tides, soil, and organisms, among other things. Smog, a form of air contamination, is the main sign of atmospheric pollution. It is a fog composed of gases and different particles of matter. Among the gases found in smog are carbon dioxide and sulfur and nitrogen oxides. Methane is a greenhouse gas that is mainly formed by the decomposition of organic matter in the intestines of herbivores. CFCs are gases that were created for refrigeration devices and aerosols. They are also greenhouse gases that cause damage to the ozone layer. Did you know the gases that provoke the greenhouse effect are carbon dioxide, CFCs, water vapor, methane, and nitrous oxide? Staying healthy. Since the ozone layer is thinning, it is now more important than ever to protect yourself from the sun's ultraviolet rays. Remember to wear a hat, sunglasses, and sunblock when you are outside in the sunlight.